Today we learn how to order some food in a fast food restaurant. So first of all, we learn some of the vocabs. Fast food cafe, 快餐厅,快餐厅. So the waiter then will ask you, what do you want to order? 你要点什么？你要点什么？一份 one portion 一份 and you want something and something. So and is 和 After asking for something and then people, oh, anything else or just this? 就这些吗？就这些吗？ Sometimes maybe you will eat in the restaurant or sometimes you will take it out. So asking for, do you eat here or take away? 在这儿吃还是带酒？在这儿吃还是带酒？ What do you want to pay? In cash? Cash. 现金 or by card? 刷卡 Now, try to learn some of the food that we can find in a fast food cafe. Hamburger, 汉堡 Fried chicken, 炸鸡 Chicken leg, 鸡腿 Chicken wing, 鸡翅 Chicken nuggets, 鸡块 French fries, 薯条 Sandwich, 三文治 Oh, welcome to come again. 欢迎再来 Oh, sometimes after payment, we'll have a receipt. 小票 Okay, next we will try to use all these vocabularies in a setting to let you know how to use it. See you next time.
您好，您需要点什么？
让我看看，我要一个鸡肉汉堡，一份薯条，还有一杯可乐。
好的，就这些吗？
对，就这些。
那就一共12块5毛钱。在这里吃还是带走？
带走吧。
带走，好的。那就现金还是刷卡？
刷卡。
好，您的卡。这是您的小票。
谢谢。
欢迎再来。
好，谢谢。
再见。